Alright, so this is just a basic channel that's going to be mostly consistent of me doing lab work for Cert Master and documenting my progress with actual learning what I need to learn to become a better IT support technician. In this walkthrough today, I will complete lab 2.1.7, which is install USB devices for CompTIA A Plus, part 1, and using the platform SetMaster. And I'm just going to jump right in. So we have, as it says, as an IT help desk technician, you are tasked with setting up a testing station to evaluate a variety of peripherals and devices. Your goal is to ensure that all devices are connected using the appropriate USB cables, providing a reliable environment for testing and troubleshooting. Use the items in the inventory to complete the following tasks. We have to place the USB hub on the workbench and connect it to the computer. We have to connect the following devices to the USB hub, which is we have an inkjet printer, a laser printer, a scanner, okay, a lot of printers and stuff, whatnot. And then place the USB portable hard drive on the workbench and connect it to the computer. Okay, so first of all, I am old-fashioned when it comes to this, so I just gotta make sure everything is powered off. Boop. And we're just gonna unplug this. And because, like I said, old-fashioned, I was taught, even though I know that was going to happen, I was taught just to make sure there's no electricity going to any of these devices that I'm about to play around with, because I cannot, for the life of me, go through and get electrocuted. Is this unnecessary? Probably in a virtual simulation, but if I'm trying to show y'all what I would do in a real life situation, I'm gonna make sure all this is off and unplugged before I start playing around with cables. Okay, so that's done. Alright, so we got our cables. And let's get into, wait, we gotta go to our little device, workspace. Is our, I'm not looking for the cables, where is peripherals? Nope, that's not peripherals. Is it storage? I'm trying to find that little bitty USB hub. That would be underneath. No. Is this me, or I don't see the USB hub anywhere? Let's see. Okay. That's not under cables, I figured. Obviously, cables, network device. Okay, external USB hub is underneath networking devices. Okay, cool. Looks like a port. If I'm being sure. Okay. So let's get that connected. Get you back here. Go ahead and connect you. Connect here. Yoink. Okay. That part is connected. Good. So let us start with this glorious printer. First device. And we can go and okay, found you. Connect you back to the power. Not the correct one. Okay, so let's find the correct one here. Snap, I touched the damn monitor. Okay, so go back to you. Go down. not that. Okay. So I see now. Specific type for a specific printer. Okay, learning. Again, this is learning, so that's good. Okay, that's connected. Turn you back. Boop. Another AB. Okay, boop. And let's go. Sorry, y'all just saw my CCNA. I'm also studying for that as well. I will have to figure out if I can actually record my CCNA labs, because some labs are protected and I don't want to go through that, but okay. So you're done. Cool. Let's go get you plugged back into the mainframe. The grid. Again, this was unnecessary for me to do in a virtual sim, but it's a habit at this point that in real life that I actually unplug everything and keep it off power. But alright. Let's see here. Alright, cool. There we go. It was yeah, connected. Okay, place a portable USB hard drive. Let's go grab that. Sorry if y'all hear my computer in the background. It's a work in progress when you don't have. You gotta use what you got. Back. Okay. So, yep, no, connected to the computer. Alright, so everything is connected. Just to verify. Yep, everything's connected. Let's get you back in. Okay. Turn you back to the front. Turn you back on. Yes, I know that's because I'm training on. Boop, everything. Okay. Alright, so realistically, I do think time wise I could have spent more time or less time actually doing it by not unplugging it, but again, like I say, I'm gonna do it the way I was taught, and I was taught take everything away from electricity before working on it and making sure nothing's connected. But I do believe I scored 100, so let's see, what do we get? Submit score. Yep. And here we go, 100%. We connected the USB hub to the computer. We connected the inkjet printer to the USB hub. Connected laptop. I said laptop. Connect the laser printer to the USB hub. Connect the scanner to the USB hub. Connect the portable USB hard drive to the computer. Honestly, I am very much familiar with doing all these tasks, and it wasn't nothing too hard. And I didn't really learn anything new, but I did get more experience with connecting and stuff like that. So, hey, wasn't nothing new, just something to, I guess, submit to actions within my head. So, time well spent.